Okay, so it is Sunday evening and Sky TV have not updated the time. I don't know what's happened. However, this has had a knock-on effect and it has completely cocked up all my recordings. So as a result, I've decided to turn the TV off and had a wonderful idea that I would share with my followers, my subscribers, my daily happenings, I suppose. So as a result of that, I've decided I'm going to upload a video of things that I see on a daily basis that in reality I've come to realise I take really for granted, which is a shame because I have literally been in fits of laughter at some of the things that just come into us that are presented for MOT. And it's just, I just want to share it with you guys. It's fun. There's no registrations involved on the cars and all my customers will be fine. So some of which are at a garage that I tested at previously, a very good garage in Hyde, and then there's obviously the MOT lane where I test now, and obviously our garage as well, which is next door for repairs. So I'm sure you'll enjoy it. It's great fun to watch. Give us your comments, let me know what you think. So there's that. Yes, I am in my PJs, so sorry about that. And yes, it's bloody cold. So yeah, I like to be a bit warm because I'm cold pretty much every day of the week at work, obviously in the garage. So and I think that's a bit of gravy there. So you'll get to love me, or I hope so anyway. If you ever want to know what I've had for my dinner, just have a look at my top, because I'm usually wearing some of it, even when I'm at home. I'm well known for it. So anyway, guys, enjoy the video, and I hope you laugh as much as I did, and I hope it makes your Sunday. And thanks, Sky. See you soon.
Warning, rear right tyre, check the pressure. Warning, front right tyre, pressure abnormal. Slow down. Readjust pressure as soon as possible.